Hello everyone, in today's tech tip we are going to see how we can add partial cap bracing to the cores of our trusses. Just need to select the envelope that we have in the model and we can click on Create. If you have any presets saved in your project, you can just load them in here. We can have two truss types here, back-to-back and a wall truss. Based on what we select here, we will have a new option on member sizes. When we select a back-to-back truss, we will have this option to cap, top chord and the bottom chord. And when we switch to a wall truss, we will get this option to brace these two members. Now when we select this option, MWF will filter out all the available sections for this option in our engineering tool. So I just need to go ahead and select the brace option for the bottom chord as well. This option is not available for the webbing and heels in our trusses. Now I'm just going to load in the saved preset that we have here so that the member sizes for the webbing and heels are also picked and loaded in. The next option that we have for this new feature is on physical member. On the bottom you will see that there's a developed length for brace and cap. By default this is set to 4 inches. The developed length for cap and brace is the parameter for the developed length of the capped member that we are capped or braced member that we are adding to our trusses. We will see this one in the diagrams more clearly. Let's click on OK. In the new UI for the truss designer, partial cap and brace option is here on the top. When we select this command, we are able to select the nodes that we would like to add bracing or capping between them. So for example, if we would like to brace the top chord between node 5 and node 18, we can select node 5 and node 18 here and OK. It will place a line between node 5 and node 18, which shows us that this member has been partially braced. Now we can click on Diagram. These trusses can be easily designed and analyzed in MWF Advanced Metal. Now in the diagrams, if we expand the page and zoom in, we just need to check off the option for Show Details, and we will see these purple dots on the braced member. These shows us the developed length that we added in the settings for these members in the trusses. Now if we double click on any of these critical points, you will see that the section assigned to them is a capped section. But any member after these developed lengths will be MWF SSMA S truss, like the other members that we have here. 250 S125. Now we can close. We can either analyze or design the truss, or we can just click on OK to see the changes that we will get in the model. If we zoom in, you will notice that the top chord between node 5 and node 18 of this wall truss has been braced with an additional member. Now we can just select this truss, and in the settings we can unlock the truss and click on Properties. The only thing that we need to do at this point to be able to see the differences that there is between a wall truss and back-to-back truss is to go to Settings, select the truss type as a back-to-back, and in member sizes we need to make sure that capped is selected here. Now we can click on OK and OK again. If we zoom in, at the same points, same nodes of this back-to-back truss, a new member is added, which is MWF SSMA T, and it has capped the S member of this truss. So that was it for today, and thank you.